New car dealerships are in big trouble. Why? Well, number one reason is that less buyers can qualify for a car. Two, if they can qualify, less buyers can afford the monthly payments because the interest rates has caused the monthly payments to go sky high. Number three, they're still facing chip shortages, even though it's gotten much better, but still facing chip shortages. Number four, we're heading into an economic depression, in my opinion, and therefore there's going to be a lot of new car dealerships going belly up, just like used car dealerships. One evidence of new car dealerships going belly up is that they're bringing brand new inventory to the auctions, stuff that they would sell on their own lot. However, they must need the money for the monthly payments to keep up with the overall expenses of owning a car dealership.